Greetings, this is Homestead and Rental. It is the 12th of January, and as you can tell, our cage used to have rabbits in it. It now has 6 roosters. We picked these up from a friend of ours that had too many roosters in their hen house. So they're all going in the pot tomorrow. We figured we would show you the latest, yeah, you guys talking? The latest Homestead and Rental animals that we had, and by the time you all see this, they will probably be in the Arctic regions of our freezer. Ooh, Homestead and Rental, just giving you a little shout and a little what's up. Greetings. Over and out.